These are breakfast spring rolls. It's a fresh twist on your favorite breakfast ingredients, and we've packaged them in a crispy spring roll shells. They offer a fantastic breakfast for individual on the run, as well as a fun breakfast option for kids. They are so easy to make, and you can even prepare them the night before and simply throw them in the oven or air fryer the next day, and you're good to go. Begin by cracking 4 eggs in a mixing bowl. This recipe will make about 4 spring rolls. Whisk the eggs until you don't see any more of the whites. Add butter to a medium hot pan. Once the butter starts to melt, gently pour in the eggs. The secret to making fluffy and creamy scrambled eggs is to continuously stir them. Remove from heat and set aside when the eggs are cooked. As for the rest of the stuffing, we're going to add 4 strips of bacon. Of course, you may use other protein such as sausage, chorizo, or ham. So with the bacon, we are just going to slice them into small pieces. And we're going to fry them until they are nice and crispy. Here's a tip: adding a splash of water helps crisp the bacon even more. Set aside the bacon on a paper towel. To contrast the rich taste of bacon and egg, we will add a few vegetables. Let's saute 2 cups of baby spinach in a hot pan. You will only need a tablespoon of oil to cook over medium heat. To add a little freshness to the filling, let's dice 1 cup of red bell pepper. The final ingredient for the filling is 2 cups of shredded cheese. To wrap it up, we're going to use store-bought spring roll sheets. Start by placing 2 to 3 tablespoons of scrambled eggs. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of the spinach, a tablespoon of the bacon, a tablespoon of the peppers. Finally, add about 2 tablespoons of the shredded cheese. Grab 1 corner of the sheet and make a triangle, and do the same for the other corners. For the last corner, brush a paste of water and cornstarch mixture. Fold and secure the sheet to make a rectangular shape. With 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, fry the spring roll over medium heat. Fry until they're turned crispy and golden brown. We hope you enjoyed this easy breakfast spring roll recipe. It's really a fun way to have breakfast in the morning. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. On that note, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.